Sec 2 Express, today we'll be doing worksheet 9a. This is the worksheet that I gave you one day before, on Friday. Okay, so let's take a look. Before you attempt this worksheet, you should download the app called Desmos. Okay, please look through. You should download the app called Desmos, this green color app over here. Once you download Desmos, you're going to see the interface that you see on the right side. Of course, this is just half screen, but you will see something like this. Then let's start to fill in table 1. Now the first table has the first column has already, the first row has already been filled in for you. Let's take a look at how to fill in the second one. Y equals to 2x squared. Now if you see on Desmos at the bottom, you will see this keyboard over here. What you just need to do is just key in y equals 2x. And where do you get the square from? The square you will get from, you see there's this button a square. Just click on the a square and you get y equals to 2x squared. Okay, now I'm just going to tap the arrow just to get a bigger view of the graph, but you don't have to. Okay, you'll be able to see the graph on your Desmos app. Now if you see that this graph is a U-shaped graph, so this is a U-shaped graph. You can just draw a U-shape. What is the coordinates of the turning point? Now turning point is the most bottom point of the graph here, this point over here. Now if I just tap, I'll get the coordinates, which is 0, 0. So I just write 0, 0. Now what is the equation of the line of symmetry? Line of symmetry means the one that passes through the center of the graph. This is the line of symmetry. So now I have a graph that looks like this. Okay, on the Desmos, your line of symmetry is here. This red color one that I'm drawing for you. This is the line of symmetry. And this equation of the line of symmetry is x is equals to 0 because it cuts the x-axis at 0. So that is the equation of the line of symmetry. So you can just write x equals to 0. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate one more for you, 1/3 x squared. So once you're done with this graph, you can just press the X, the graph will be gone, tap on the box and the keyboard below will come out. So y equals to, now how do you key in fraction? 1/3 is 1 divided by 3, just key in 1 divided by 3, the fraction will come out, 1/3 x squared. Okay, then from here, you can still do whatever that you need to do. It's a U shape, the turning point, which is the most bottom part, if you tap, you still get 0, 0. And the equation of line of symmetry is still x equals to 0. So I need you to fill in all this, the rest. Alright, let's go on to table. Okay, once you're done, note down your observation. Note down your observation over here. Okay, and read. It has a line of what? Okay, try to get the answers here. I will go through the answers with you when you're back in school. Let's go through part 2. Okay, when you're done, still continue to fill in all these. Continue to fill in table 1, table 2. So you can key in x squared. Sorry. Y equals to x squared plus 2. Okay, so we have a graph that looks like this. They will ask you what shape is it? Is it U shape or N shape? So this one is U shape. Just write U shape. The y-intercept. What is the y-intercept? The y-intercept where the graph cuts the y-axis. So you tap on the part where the graph cuts the y-axis, you get the coordinates 0, 2. Right, 0, 2 in. Turning point also 0, 2. Line of symmetry still x equals to 0. So need you to fill in all these boxes and answer the questions below. Similarly for table 3, I'm going to do the first one for you. Y equals to x squared minus 6x plus 5. My graph looks like this. U shape or N shape, it is U shape. The y-intercept, tap, I get 0, 5. Now the question also says x-intercept. X-intercept is the 2 points where it cuts the x-intercept. Just tap on it. Then you will get the two values, which is 1 and 5. Okay, turning point, click on the below part, then you get 3 and minus 4. Equation of the line of symmetry. Now, if you note that this graph, the turning point is 3, which means my line of symmetry is here. Let me show you. Now, the most bottom point, this is 3 minus 4. So this is my line of symmetry. Okay, so it cuts the x-axis. It cuts the x-axis at 3. So the line of symmetry, the equation is x is equals to 3. Alright, so x is equals to 3. Okay, need you to continue filling in all these boxes and note down your observation. Now, when you are done, that's all I have for you for today's lesson until page number 5. So basically, you do from page number 1 to page number 5 on your maths. That's all. Okay, let me take a look at what else needs to be done. Once you're done, please upload your completed notes into OneNote. That's all.